Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new player or for new to the game, how you can shop and what item you can buy in Baba Shop. So what you need to do is go to exchange, tap the exchange. There are some options here, but let's focus to this one, trade points. So in these trade points, you can mostly buy medals for awakening your unit, and you can buy support items that you can use in the game. For example, like this is one of useful support item for a new player. Recover your health points 70% and all allies defend 50% for 2 turns. If you do not have this, please buy it. Very useful for you to through the event. And also if you miss the event, or if you are lazy to play the event, you can get these awakening medals from event. This is for Ginyu Force awakening medals. And also this one, I recommend you buy this Gregory as many as you can, because it's most important medals. I think for general medals, for Z awakening. And you can also get this Gregory from event or from gift. And also you can buy this free to play character. It's not good compared to the summon character, but it's worth for a new player that need to fill the team with extreme or evil character. This is the extreme int unit. And also you can buy this film. So it's used to support your team in the game. And also beside the items, you can also this support memories to help you complete the game. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.